Hey y'all. So I wanted to make videos for each premium lesson so that you could know what all was included with the lesson. And I'm going to start off with the Beauty Boss blueprints, and I'm going to show you what is included. So when you go to cosmetologyunited.com, you're going to click on instructor resources, and you are going to click on premium instructor resources, and it's going to take you to the premium instructor resources homepage, which looks like this. And you can scroll down, and the Beauty Boss blueprint is the first one. So of course you would click yes, I need this. It gives you a little situation that you can read about or whatever, and just a brief little something. But I'm going to take you inside of the lesson. All right, so once you get inside of the lesson, it's going to give you an overview, and it's like this for each of the lessons. It's going to give you an overview. It's going to break it down step by step, tell you what is going to be happening for each step. But it's also going to include the lesson files for the lesson. And so I'm going to go to the lesson files really quickly. Let me go to it, and Beauty Boss blueprints. All right, so there are three things inside of the three files inside of the Beauty Boss blueprint folder. The first file is the lesson plan. And so the lesson plan is detailed lesson plan. It gives you the objective, the materials that you're going to need, and then step by step in detail what the teacher's going to be doing, what the students are going to be doing, the student instructions. So it tells you all of that, and that's the lesson plan. All right, then also inside the Beauty Boss blueprint lesson files, you are going to get the teacher presentation slides. So I have created teacher presentation slides, and it just kind of goes through all of the slides that you'll need that'll be projected on the screen for teachers or whatever. So this is what you will put on your screen for your students so they'll know what's going on each step, and you can kind of walk them through what's happening for each step. And then you're also going to get inside of the files. This is the last thing for this one. It's the student presentation. So for the student presentation, this is something that you would share with the students so they have actual access to it, and they can edit the files. They will have their own presentation, looks like this or whatever, and it's a step-by-step for them as well. So you're projecting what's on the screen, but they also have a presentation that they are using to work on. So they are going to be pretty much submitting this presentation as their final project, pretty much. And they just go in and do what they need to the slides. So this lesson is just about them designing their dream life and career. It is the vision board, updated vision board lesson. So this is what I recommend for maybe your Cosmetology 1 or Cosmetology 2 students while you do the basic vision board for I hate to say basic because it's still good. And it's not basic, but it's more simple. It doesn't include like the lifestyle calculator and stuff like that. This lesson comes with a lifestyle calculator. It's going to allow students to go in, purchase their home, purchase their car. First of all, find out what their budget is, and then go in and make the purchases, see how they're going to be living, what they can afford, and then just put it all together as their final blueprint for what life will look like for them if and how to live within their means and things like that. Help them to set some goals, help them to put some action steps in place for them to reach their final goal. So this is a great lesson for you to implement into your classroom, and I just wanted to show you what was included with it.